Hello folks, welcome back. In last video we could see Ansible were trying to create a new container and a new image and it failed. To overcome this problem you should remove your running container and available image from Ansible system to create new image and new container. For that we should modify our playbook little bit. Let's jump into our Ansible system and do that. This is my Ansible server. I am under /opt docker. We have a file called simple DevOps project. Edit this, add new task, that is name stop current running container. So we are stopping current running container. Command docker stop. The container name is simple DevOps container. Next we need to remove it. Remove stopped container. Command docker rm and container name. Next remove docker image. Command docker rmi and image name. So by adding this one, what will happen? Whenever it is trying to deploy new var file, first it removes the old containers, nothing but old version, and it creates the new version and deploys the new version. This is how you can address the issue. But again, the problem with this one is if sometimes if it don't find the Docker container, it is going to fail over here. To address that problem, we need to add one more task, that is ignore errors. Yes. So in case if the container is not available or is in already stopped state, it is going to ignore this error. Similar way we need to do for remaining true tasks as well, so that it is going to ignore in case image or container is not available. I have modified my playbook according to my need. Let's execute this time our Jenkins job. We should able to see our new deployment. Still we are at an old deployment. Let's go and execute it. Build now. Because already code is modified and last time it's failed, this time it should not, because we are handling the errors whatever is going to happen. Let's try to remove the container if container exists. First it stops the container, then remove the container, then remove the image. Yes, this time it is successful, and if I refresh my container, you can see deploy on a container. Is it working? Alright, if we go and see in our Ansible system, we could able to see the latest images and containers, Docker images. You can see it is created under 21 seconds ago. Docker ps-a, even container created 33 seconds ago. This is how we can able to create our Docker containers seamlessly. Now to test more, I'm going to change the code. This time I don't touch anything. It should run the job and create a new image and a new container. Let's go and change our code. So I'm already here, so let me edit it. So deploying on container using Ansible, git add dot git commit, same commit ID I'm going to give, git push origin master. I have pushed my code, and let's go to Jenkins console and monitor the screen. Could see the new build. Yes, new build is triggered. Identified a new change as well. Go to Ansible system, date, Currently it is 7:38. We should get a new where file. Still job is running. Okay, new where file has been created. Yep, it's pushed. And docker ps -a. New container also created. Docker images. New image also created. Now if I refresh the screen, yep, we could see the new one. So I have enabled end-to-end pipeline from the code push to create a Docker container. This is how we can containerize our applications, but still we are deploying an Ansible system. We want to deploy an target system, nothing but a Docker host we should deploy. For that we need to change our playbooks. What to change and how to change, I will show you in the next video.